I'm so grateful to take this moment and share with you one of my favorite ways to move the body, and that's with yoga. This is a short practice I'm going to share with you that will activate the energy from the root chakra all the way up through the crown chakra. It's a simple practice that you can do every day. You can do it for 5 minutes, you could do it for 20, you could do it for half an hour, however long or short you wish. The point is to move the body, to get the energy moving, and when the breath is flowing in the body then becomes more open. So the body flows. And I'm grateful I get to share this practice with you. I always start my practice with essential oils. As you'll see over here, I'm diffusing. And you can diffuse whatever oil is your favorite oil or whatever oil you feel you need, whether it be a mood uplifter or something grounding, whatever that personal desire is. I also like to put oil on the bottom of my feet. So typically, I will use balance on the bottom of my feet before every practice. It just helps to ground me. It also helps to prepare me for whatever the day may have ahead. So if you have an oil nearby, just grab it and put it wherever your body wants it to be. Maybe it's the bottom of your feet, maybe it's the back of your neck. Maybe it's on your temples, your forehead, your chest, wherever your body is calling you to put that on. Just rub it in, take a moment. And if you're massaging it on the bottom of your feet, make it a little massage. Enjoy it. A little bit of self-care while we're starting the practice of yoga is a great place to be. Come into a comfortable seat, whatever that looks like for you, and close your eyes and just start to listen to your breath. And if your mind is busy, pay close attention to the inhale and the exhale. I find it helpful to have a short mantra that I focus on my inhales and my exhales. And a short one I'll share with you, and maybe this will be your mantra too, is I am happy, I am healthy. I'll give you a moment to come into your breath. Take your hands into prayer and rub your palms together. Close your eyes. Press your thumbs into your heart center. With a smile on your face, set an intention for your practice today. Go big and say it quietly to yourself, giving it to the universe, trusting and believing this intention is coming true today. Gently take your hands down to your knees, and we're going to do these circle motions where we inhale forward, exhale back. Inhale forward, exhale back. Move with your breath, and when it becomes comfortable, close your eyes and just go within. What we're doing is we are activating the root chakra, moving the energy so that where energy flows, there's health and wellness. Once you come to center, take it the opposite way. What I love about yoga is so simple that the breath can go into the sticky parts in the body and open it up. So just with gentle movement, breath, and intention, we can transform a stiff, achy body into a flexible, energized, vibrant body. Take it to center, taking a deep inhale and holding the breath and exhale and release. Take the hands to the flexion and we're going to do a seated cat-cow. Inhale forward, exhale, tuck the chin and curl the spine. Move with your breath. Use your mantra and focus on your intention. Move with your breath. And again, this practice can be done quickly, or you can make it a long practice. The important thing is to make sure that you schedule in movement every day. Slow it down and come to center. Pausing, taking a deep breath. Inhaling, hold the breath. And exhale out. Take the hands onto the shoulders, and we're going to inhale to your left, exhale to your right. Inhale, exhale. The first movement we did, we were activating the first chakra. The second movement we did, we're activating the second and third chakra. Now we're activating the heart chakra, the fourth chakra. Inhale left, exhale right. Move with your breath. Slow it down. Coming to center. Taking a deep inhale. Hold the breath. And exhale, release the hands. Rest them on your knees. Palm up if you want to receive. Palm down if you want to keep the energy you have. We're going to move up to the fifth chakra. We're going to inhale the shoulders up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale the shoulders up and squeeze. Hold the breath. Exhale and release. Pausing a moment. Feeling the energy that you've activated from your root chakra to your throat chakra. And now bow the head forward. Take it to the right, back, to the left, and forward again. Move with your breath. Take it the opposite way.
I sail with you the ocean of my dream to a faraway.
Take the head to center. Pausing for a minute, taking a deep inhale. Holding the breath.
Of great beauty
And release.
tranquility.
Our last movement, we're going to come up on our feet, and this is called frog pose. This is going to activate the energy from the root chakra all the way up through the 6 chakras, the 7th, and out through the crown. And this frog pose is going to specifically work on the 6th and the 7th chakra. So this is what it looks like. You come up into a squat position, and you're up on your tippy toes, your heels are touching. I have to hold my hair back. Hold on a second. And we're going to chin and nose and eyes looking up to the ceiling. We're going to inhale, coming up, keeping the toes, keeping our weight on the tip of the toes, the heels lifted, and the heels are touching. So we inhale, we exhale, come down and look up to the ceiling. 26 of these. I'll do them with you. Are you ready? Inhale up.
You have reached out and touched the essence of my being. Oh, my beloved companion of my heart. You have reached out and touched the essence
13.
of my being. You have shown me the way. You have shown me the way. Your love has awakened me. Your love has awakened me. Your love.
On the 26th one, allow your body just to hang over like a rag doll. Allow any stress of your life, any stress of the body to roll off the spine and into the ground and melt away. Shake your head, yes. Shake it, no.
Has awakened me. Your
And when you're ready, tuck your chin into your chest, rolling up gently into a standing position. Move slowly so that you do not get dizzy. And once you come into your standing position, mountain pose. Pause for a moment. Revisit your intention. And when you're ready, come down into Shavasana. And with Shavasana, I'm going to play some sounds for you. I want you to stay as long as your heart wishes. Just relax. Allow your body to melt into the ground. If you wish to stay in your Shavasana, stay. If you wish to come up and close the practice, or even when you're ready to come up, move your body into a gentle seated position, taking the hands into prayer pose at the heart, bowing the head to the hands, revisiting that intention you set earlier today. And with a big smile on your face, we wish light to all, peace to all, love to all.